When it comes to picking the perfect tile for your project, it's really important to pick the right size. Here are a couple things to consider. If you've engaged a builder or tiler, have a chat to them about what size tiles they think will work best. Depending on the layout or size of your space, there may be some restrictions that you need to consider. Tiling tip: larger tiles means less grout, which can be helpful when it comes to cleaning and maintenance. Small tiles can make a small room feel even smaller, and large tiles can make a big room feel even bigger. It's really important to consider which way you lay the tiles. If you lay them sideways across the room, it'll have the effect of making the room feel wider, and if you lay them lengthways, it can make the room feel longer. Tiling tip: if you're laying herringbone pattern tiles, have the points running away from you and it will create the effect of the room feeling longer. The most popular tiles for floors are 3x3, 3x6 and 6x6. TileCloud has a range of tiles to suit any project with lots of different shapes, sizes and patterns to choose from. Jump online and get 5 samples for $5 delivered to your door. Happy tiling!